I don't know what I love more about these bins, whether they are collapsible or that they're plastic. They're collapsible so I can store them if I'm going camping or if I'm going to go out on the road for some reason with a bunch of stuff. I can just take them with me just like this without anything in them. And then when I get there, I can take them out and store things then. Show you how easy these are to expand. Locking, love that, locking lids, and then literally just put your hand in there on one end, hand on there on the other end, and you're in business. Now, the inside of these are good, durable plastic. So in camping, imagine this. It's Sunday. You got your Sunday breakfast all done. You're on your way home. Just put all your dirty dishes in here, right? Cover it up, and then just put the lid right on the top, and they lock on either side. Very easy. No mess. You can keep this in the car just like this to expand and use whenever you need it, to put dirty things in, dirty dishes, dirty clothes, wet clothes. You can go to the beach. You can go to sporting events, anything like that where you want to take things and then keep them in a bin that you can wash later, but most importantly has a locking lid that you can put over the top and protect it from the rest of your car or your other things. So camping, gardening. My daughter's going to use these for toys and the other one for clothes for her little boy, our little grandson. So let me show you how to collapse these. Take the lid off, turn it over, and then just tuck in the sides, really easy. Tuck in that side, tuck in that side, boom, you're done. Lid back on, and you're ready to put it into the car to be used for storage. They come in a 2-pack. I can't say enough about these things. They're great. They're just handy, easy to store, easy to fold up, easy to expand, washable, durable. I highly recommend them.